fans everywhere wondered whether the roller coaster journeys of the Slayton family would continue. Now the official word is in. TLC has ended 1000 lb Sisters and there will be no season 8. From the highs of breakthrough weight loss and once-in-a-lifetime drama to the seemingly endless controversies, the network has quietly decided the show has run its course. The speculation began shortly after the season 7 finale in June 2025. Viewership had been uneven. What started as a raw, emotional tale of Tammy and Amy's transformation had gradually become diluted as newer cast members took center stage. Critics noted that the core dynamic between the Slayton sisters seemed to have lost its energy, and that subsequent seasons lacked the emotional hook that made audiences care. Sabrina from Monsters and critics reported filming had resumed for season 5 after tensions between Tammy and Amy led to a major pause in production during a Florida shoot. But those hopes faded fast as bickering resumed and the family's behavior made production reluctant to move forward. Leading up to season 7, Tammy's journey had been nothing short of remarkable. She'd lost over 500 pounds since her bariatric surgery in mid-2022, inspiring fans with her drive and unfiltered honesty. Yet even after that milestone, she made it clear she wanted to stop oversharing every detail of her life. As one Reddit commenter noted recently, "I think she is setting up boundaries, and I think the end of the show is coming." Tammy seems like she doesn't really want to be on. Tamara herself added fuel to the rumors. Though recently she insisted on TikTok and Reddit conversations that season 8 is in the works, saying plainly, "No, they haven't. We are working on season 8. I don't understand why people keep posting fake news about us." Quote, "But insiders say TLC quietly pulled the plug, concluding both the drama and the arc have reached their natural conclusion. Ratings had plateaued, costs were rising due to the extended cast and complex filming schedules, and controversies, including Amy's legal issues and family squabbles, became liabilities." Reddit threads added context. One deeply reported comment argued that the show wound down fast and that the good part ended and then just ran it into the ground. Another commenter reflected bitterly on the loss of authenticity. "It's way too produced, something is missing compared to previous seasons, less like real people and more like scripted characters to me." Although some fans demanded renewal, launching petitions and flooding TLC's social accounts with "Please like, you better not cancel 1000 lb Sisters," TLC apparently determined it was in everyone's best interest to move on. Behind the scenes, reports suggest the Slayton family has struggled to work within production's boundaries. The infamous brawl in Florida involving multiple siblings reportedly made TLC crews uncomfortable, prompting an extended production break and eventually a reassessment of the show's viability. Tammy's own demand for more privacy and control over her personal narrative further complicated production. Tammy continues to leverage her platform, branching into paid cameo videos and exploring modeling opportunities and comedic content. She recently celebrated her 39th birthday and live-streamed about her life post-weight loss and her next chapter. Amy's journey has become more murky, complicated by a reported child endangerment case and divorce proceedings. Now that TLC is stepping away, questions linger. Was this cancellation inevitable once Tammy achieved her weight goals? Did internal family strife remove the raw narrative that fueled audience interest? One Redditor captured it, greater than, "I think the show has run its course. Once Tammy has skin removal surgery, there's not much more that can happen." As for Tammy officially, she recently shot down rumors on social media, but insiders say the network's decision is final. The claims of ongoing work on season 8 appear to be either hopeful speculation or personal messaging disconnected from TLC's trajectory. TLC has not released a public statement announcing the cancellation. But industry sources confirm there's no formal production or renewal in the pipeline. With season 7 having wrapped in mid-2025 and no episodes airing since, the series is effectively done. So after 7 seasons and countless emotional turns, TLC has officially pulled the plug. The cameras that once rolled through every milestone, meltdown, and moment of transformation have now shut off. Tammy Slayton's future may still be bright. She now holds the narrative herself, but her TV journey has reached its conclusion. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.